Check out all the cool stuff we have for sale on our new website.
We're at the swap meet. There is so much stuff to look for. There's so many cute bags, you just cannot choose.
Oh, I love that bag.
Isn't that so cute?
It is really cute.
I just want it, but I don't need it because look at Alyssa's back. She's got a cute bag. Hello. Owen loves to look around at all the pretty things. They've got these cute placemats and bibs and pot holders. And look at this. Slippers you wear on your feet that you can mop the floor with. I love that. That looks cool, huh? Owen's getting so fussy. I think we're going to have to feed him soon. There we go. There we go. He's all happy now. You like those necklaces? They are. Oh, they have even more pretty necklaces. I'm gonna get this one and this one. All kinds of food and snacks. Pineapple. Ooh, sour belts. Look at all the yummy sour candy. What'd you find? Oh, cool. You like that? You guys love pirate necklaces.
Oh yeah, I think twist this and
We're gonna get a coconut. We're gonna drink it.
So this will be the meat inside. Take a try.
Is it good? You don't like it? Take a little drink.
I don't want to be the last one to drink it.
Daddy, you try that.
Is it good? He doesn't like it.
Oh, come on, guys. Can't be that bad.
It's not what you're expecting.
It's an acquired taste.
Yeah, an acquired taste.
He's trying to get a tiny sip.
You like it? He likes it. Michael, you want to try some? Do you like it, Michael? Do you like it? I'm going to take that as a no. Now he's cutting it open for us. Thank you. It's interesting. It's kind of chewy.
What does it taste like?
I don't really know what it tastes like.
I've never tried fresh coconut either.
It doesn't taste like coconut to me. Bite. You get some? How do you like it? Let me try a different piece. It's interesting. It kind of tastes like actual fruit because it's kind of got like a consistency to it.
It's got a lot of moisture in it still.
There's not much flavor.
I'll try it. Do you want to try it too, Zach? Chris? Let's see if I can do this without spilling it.
You just have to like bite a piece off. It's weird, huh? Do you think it's weird? It doesn't have much flavor.
Not as good as...
It doesn't taste like real coconut. We're gonna add some of this to it. We're gonna see if this makes it taste a little better. Is it better with that?
Definitely add some flavor.
Okay, fix my hat. No more wind. It's funny actually because we had a tsunami warning like, what was it, yesterday or the day before? Yes, day before yesterday. I swear we just can't get away from the crazy weather here. So anyway, Matt's back there. He tried the coconut. He's trying to convince himself he likes it, but I just don't think that any of us really do like it. Michael's getting tired, so he's getting a little ride on the front of the stroller. He's happy about it. And he has a hee-hee rock. So there's stuff like everywhere. Heather's got her fancy umbrella. And we are sweating hot. Matt's back there looking at a shirt. Aren't those cute, you guys?
They're dog leashes.
They're dog leashes. This one is really cute that you're looking at. I like that one. I think we're gonna have to get two. One for Kona and one for Hana. Alyssa found her store. It's full of flowers and leis. Aren't these pretty for your hair? Look at that. Look at all these ones.
How pretty.
These are just beautiful. It's pretty. Oh, he's got a flower in his short hair.
May I marry you?
Should we get one of these for Owen?
Oh, look at this one.
Oh, cute. So here's what I got for Owen. I got different sizes. I got teal, green, blue, and dark blue. Oh, I just realized they're all the same. When I was picking these out, I felt like I was getting different things. I just realized I got the same exact design. That's okay. Like I said, they're different sizes and different colors. What's my baby doing? Hi. We're keeping him covered from the sun. We're picking some reusable bags. They're so cute. This is like my favorite, I think. I really like this one. Tell me if you like it.
Different flavors.
Yes. I got this one, that's Science, some dried tomato and spinach, and this one, Meat Lover.
Wanna try?
Let's buy a loaf.
Is that yummy? He says, "What is this, Mommy?" Look at that cute face. It's a cute little moving frog.
Well, look at these guys. Look.
Yummy.
Set it down right here. Perfect. Very welcome.
They love it so much. We bought some. We come back for more samples. That's pretty cool, huh? Wow. He's letting the boys stand by it. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? He made that. I got myself an umbrella because it's so hot, but I figure I could use this for soccer anyway because it's hot there too. And the kids have found somewhere for samples. They're sampling banana bread. Yummy. Is it good? You like it? You like it?
Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cool.
They did a really pretty job with that, didn't they? He's looking at some board shorts. It goes on and on and on. We're like almost done though, I think.
Here's our hat that we're gonna get.
Yes, we found these hats. We're hoping we can wear them during soccer, right?
Yes.
Because they're soft, so we're hoping that we can get away with playing in them because it is so hot. Owen's taking his little nap and he's got little pink cheeks. It's so hot outside. Oh, you're both cute. Everybody buckle. We're in the car. We're heading to soccer. They're switching their sandals out for soccer cleats. So while the boys are practicing, we go on little walks and we play at the park. And the boys are just right here. That was that. Matt's working on helping with being the assistant coach right now for the team, which is good. He loves soccer. Whoa, you're fast. Okay, let's go do it again. We're at the mall and we have to show you guys this adorable towel that we just found. But we have a problem.
You don't know which hidden pineapple it is.
So you guys are going to have to start counting the hidden pineapples, I think. Because we've been showing pineapples all day, every day. There's a lot. And no one's awake now. There he is.
Pineapple bed sheets.
Those are so cute.
That is so adorable. I have to get that.
We need those. Look at him, he's so curious. Makes you wonder what's up in the top of the elevator. This is the store we came to go to. They have super cute hats like the one we got Michael. So we're hoping to find some more. Let's see what you found. That one and that one. The same one the other boys have. Do you like that hat? No. It fits you. I think he says no. So this is the look of the mall here. You can see how it looks. And it's kind of cool because a lot of the malls here have some kind of discount store like Ross or TJ Maxx in them, so that's always fun. Michael found all the Star Wars stuff, of course. This escalator is kind of cool because it's showing the trends by year. So Pokemon cards, all these things are what was trending. Getting more recent, Shopkins, Tsum Tsums, hoverboards, oh yeah, squishies, fidget cubes, fidget spinners, and last but not least, Pick Me Pops.
It's pretty cool, right?
Is it good, guys?
Eating mac and cheese.
Yummy mac and cheese.
Okay, so when you spray water on it,
That is so
That's so cool.
even the shorts.
Let's do it on the shorts.
The women.
Yeah, let's try shorts.
And if you guys have a woman, you get 10% off.
Cool. Should we get that?
It'll have a different pattern.
That's so cool.
Ta-da!
Cute.
Super cute.
I love that. You like how it fits?
Perfect.
You ready?
Yep.
I think we're gonna go home. The boys were so good. They waited while we shopped. They had iPads to keep them busy though. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
We're ready. Yay! So here they are. These are the Malasadas. They're warm and they have sugar on the outside and they're filled on the inside. They're so good. Okay, this is Chris's. He got a brownie with macadamia. And then who got this? Strawberry. Don't spill it on Owen. Take a look. They're like textured on top. Looks like David's enjoying his.
So good.
Good and messy, right? All right, we're gonna answer some questions. The kids love this part. The first one comes from Jennifer, and she wants to know, what is your favorite Christmas tradition?
Make Christmas cherries. I like when you give toys away to people.
I like that too.
Christmas trees is opening presents and especially making us a cookie for Santa.
Oh yeah.
I like looking at Christmas lights.
Oh, that's fun.
Always just having milk.
Michael, do you have one?
Getting Star Wars presents and apple juice. Good.
The next one comes from Amanda, who wants to know what your favorite thing to do is, and does Alyssa like horse riding?
I do like horse riding.
Does anyone have a favorite thing?
To just pet horses. Pet cute animals. I like swimming, that's fun. Yeah, I like going swimming and I like iPad and stuff.
Michael, what's your favorite thing to do?
I like coloring stuff.
Coloring Star Wars stuff?
Actually, I have a new answer.
What?
Legos.
Oh, Legos. Yes, you guys like Legos.
I like Legos.
You guys like playing outside, catching lizards.
Okay, that's good. And catching geckos and catching birds.
Zach saved a bird this week, huh? The next question comes from Malia, who says, if you had to choose Snickers or M&Ms, which would you pick?
Snickers. Snickers are my favorite. I would say Snickers. I would say M&M's because maybe they'll be those like the crunchy M&M's.
Uh-huh. Michael, what do you like, Snickers or M&Ms?
I like the mini M&M's that are crunchy.
Sophia wants to know, would you rather swim in the pool or the sea?
I like both. I like to swim in the pool for safety, but in the ocean for fun. Yeah, that's a good one. But I would pick sea because I like surfboarding. That's fun. I would do the sea because it's fun and it just feels cool because it's like we're in a huge pool or something. And so we can do a special surfer Dave's nickname. We can bodyboard.
Yeah, bodyboarding is fun.
A huge pool pool is lit because it's awesome.
Michael, do you like swimming in the beach or in the pool?
Probably in the shallow one for safety, so I don't drown in the deep end.
Yeah, we don't want to drown.
Thanks for watching.
Were you able to find the hidden pineapple in today's video? If you did, be sure to leave a comment with the hashtag hidden pineapple so we can choose you for Fan of the Week.